everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma Azure. This is Devi Sarojini. Now I will discuss about calibration parameters for the UV visible spectrophotometer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In this video I will discuss about operation, calibration parameters of UV visible spectrophotometer, cleaning procedure for the UV visible spectrophotometer. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Photometric linearity. Next one, photometric linearity. Very accurately 50 mg of potassium chromate in a 50 ml volumetric flask and dissolve in 0.05 normal potassium hydroxide solution. Make up with the same solvent. From the above solution, take 4 ml and make up to 100 ml with 0.05 normal potassium hydroxide solution. Now prepare dilution of 4, 8, 16, 24, 32 mg per ml. Measure the absorbance at 370 nm using 0.05 normal potassium hydroxide solution as a blank. Acceptance criteria. The plot should be linear and regression coefficient should be not less than 0.59. Next one, baseline flatness. For baseline flatness, operate the UV spectrophotometer according to the SOP on the operation. Once the UV probe software is up and running, click on the spectrum button on the toolbar. Click on the method button on the toolbar to set up the condition. Click on the method button on the toolbar to set up the condition. A new window will pop up. Set the wavelength range, scan speed and scan interval. Under wavelength range, start 800 and 200. Scan speed fast, scan interval 0.1. Then click on OK. Click the baseline. Wait for the baseline correction to be completed. Start the scan by clicking on Start with air in sample cells. Print the spectrum obtained and compare the baseline flatness to the specification. The specification should be not more than 0.002 absorbance. Next one, specification of cells. Click on the method button on the toolbar to set up the condition. A new window will pop up. Select transmittance mode. Select transmittance mode. Set the wavelength at 200 nm. Then press auto 0 to get 100% transmittance with air blank in both the cell holders. Then place the cell in the sample compartment filled with DM water using an air blank and read the transmittance. Similarly, repeat the operation for 220 nm and 240 nm. Repeat the test for the second cell. The transmittance value should meet the requirement as given in the following table. Next one, cleaning procedure. The general precautions. The general precautions for UV spectrophotometer are like this. User must ensure that equipment is calibrated. Handle the measuring cell with care. Do not forget to turn off the instrument. Do not forget to turn off the instrument after use, or if the next reading will be taken after long period of time. The general cleaning procedure for the UV spectrophotometer like this. After completion of each analysis, clean the UV spectrophotometer as follows. Remove the cuvette from the sample compartment. Remove the solution from the cuvette and wash with respective solvent in which solution is prepared. Rinse with water and then with methanol and wipe with tissue paper. Air dry and keep it dedicated place. When required, clean the outer surface of the instrument with IPA and dry it with tissue paper. So all these things about calibration parameters of UV visible spectrophotometer, operation procedure for the UV spectrophotometer, precautions, general precautions to be taken for UV spectrophotometer, and finally cleaning procedure for the UV spectrophotometer. So I hope you understand clearly. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Thank you.